Late at night, Liam missed the last subway and found himself in an old, abandoned station. The lights flickered, and then he heard a train approaching, but the schedule showed nothing. Curious and desperate, he stepped closer. A train stopped, empty, silent. The doors opened on their own. He stepped inside. The train moved, without a conductor, speeding into complete darkness. Through the window, he saw nothing but faces staring back, pale, hollow, watching. His phone had no signal. Then, a whisper. "You boarded the last train. You don't get off." The train never stopped again. If you're still listening, don't miss the next story. Subscribe now, before it's too late.